Hello, J-Dog here. Today, I'm going to be doing some voices with pterodactyls. Pterodactyl voice. First of all, my dog is going crazy. Hey, you, dummy. You were going crazy. Oh, yes, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. Crazy dog. You're a crazy dog. No, hey, shut up. Anyways, he's looking at my shadow. But okay, first of all, this is the pterodactyl. That's an example. And I'm going to be saying stuff like this. Go clean your room! No! But yeah, just like that. That's one. I'm going to do 3. Second, this is going to be funny. Hold on. Hey, do you want to take a bath? No! Okay, that was second. Third, let me think about that. Be right back when I come with up an idea. Okay, I've come up with the idea. It's this guy. Stop barking! Sorry that this is shaking so much. It's my stupid dog. Hey, stop it. Lay down. Anyways. I don't like it when he does that. Okay, third. If you like football, here we go. Let's go play some football. Okay, well that's been it. One look at my dog. Doggy. No. You don't want to show your face? No. Just your... Oh. Are you good? Okay. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And that's all I'm doing today. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. J-Dog here.